Hey everyone, welcome back to Wonder Wheels. Today we've got a real treat for you, the all-new LumiX25. This is the car that's generating a lot of buzz for 2025 with its innovative features and cutting-edge design. Stick around as we dive into what makes this car so special and why it might just be the car of the future. Let's start with the design. The LumiX25 has a distinct futuristic look that's hard to miss. You'll notice its aerodynamic body and sharp lines designed for maximum efficiency and style. Up front we've got these sleek LED headlights that are as functional as they are stunning. And check out this front grille. It's not just for show. It's part of the car's advanced airflow system, which reduces drag and enhances performance. From the side, you'll see the LumiX25 has flush door handles, which pop out when you need them and stay hidden for a streamlined look when you don't. And those wheels? They're designed for both style and performance, optimizing the car's grip and handling on the road. Now, let's talk about the interior, where the LumiX25 really shines. This car is all about luxury and comfort, with premium leather seats that feel like you're sitting in your favorite recliner. The seats are ventilated and heated, so you're comfortable in any weather. Check this out. A fully digital dashboard and a massive touchscreen display. Everything is right at your fingertips, from navigation to media controls. The LumiX25 also comes with voice-activated controls, so you can keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. And if you're into ambience, you're going to love the customizable LED lighting. You can change the colors to suit your mood, whether you're winding down after a long day or getting ready for a night out. Under the hood, the LumiX25 doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a high-performance electric motor that delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. This car goes from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, making it perfect for those who crave speed and power. And let's not forget about the tech. The LumiX25 is packed with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking a breeze. This car really has everything you need to drive with confidence. The LumiX25 isn't just about luxury and performance, it's also eco-friendly. With zero emissions, it's designed for a cleaner, greener future. Plus, it features regenerative braking, so you're charging the battery every time you slow down. So there you have it, the LumiX25. It's stylish, powerful, and packed with tech that makes it one of the most exciting cars we've seen this year. If you're as impressed as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we've got plenty more reviews coming your way here on Wonder Wheels.